Hello and welcome to Colwich Junction. Thanks very much for taking the time out your day, as ever, to stop by and see what's been happening here on the layout. Well, as you can see from these opening shots, you can see another Accurascale Class 37 has joined the fleet here at Colwich. D6702 has been here for a little while, but she's been kept in a box awaiting a sound chip. Funds finally allowed for me to get one recently, so along with a speaker from Roads and Rails, she's been sound fitted, and I think you'll probably agree she's looking and sounding very good on the layout. Another sound fitting job that's been on the workbench this week is the upgrading of the speaker in the tender of Cookham Manor. I'm not sure whether you'll be able to tell the difference from any previous videos, but it does sound a lot better now. I finally got time to add some paint to these lovely figures I got from Model U. There's a crew for my 08 shunter in both 00 and O gauge here. There's a few drivers been painted as well, but I haven't actually got any photos of those. So yeah, that's been quite good to get done. I'm not very good at painting the figures, but yeah, it's good fun. Yeah, there's a buffer stop at the end here as well. That's had its first coat. So yeah, that's work in progress. I'm going to leave you with a few running shots of D6702 running around the layout. And thanks very much. If you've subscribed recently, thank you so much. And I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.